Hello there. We glad to introduce you a Merida ONE-27. 600-2020 year bike. 120 LITE frame lightweight 6066 series aluminium triple butted and hydroformed frame set with smooth welding and internal cable routing. Tapered head tube for precise steering, boost standard and rear through axle for rear end stiffness. Floating shock provides 120 mm of travel. Non-slip tightening selected bolts can be tightened via a TORX 30 key from just one side, without running the risk that the opposite side slips or turns, allowing faster and more straightforward tightening of important hardware components. Float link suspension. The lower shock mount moves with the system to deliver plushness and pedaling efficiency. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.